Okay.
Coming back in?
Yep, coming back in. Okay, thank you. One.
Hang out right here. We'll get you on this next one.
All right.
How many?
One.
Take the red dot here on row one.
Thank you. Oh, we got front row. Oh, I'll watch your videos all the time.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
All right, dueling vlogs. No. I'm trying a 220-degree VR video.
Nice.
It's an A7S with a 220-degree lens. Trying to do.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you. Estimados huéspedes, por su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, sentados y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigile sus niños. Gracias.
All right.
The red dot
Cool.
You got the good one there. One is good.
Yeah. Cool. Alrighty.
Alright, front row, hold on to the top. Beautiful, 7 steps, hands in the air. And wait, just over here. I got all of you. Enjoy your stay.
You are the passengers on the most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of the Twilight Zone.
This is different again.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and felt a nightmare. That door is opening once again, this time. You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel in the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
That's good.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. Trust your stay in the tower is open.
I hope so.
Yeah, there you go. Good time for one more? No, 7 o'clock. Yeah, darn. Oh yeah, get that number. Interesting.
That was a good run.
If you see a creepy doll's eyeballs, they'll follow you.
Oh, don't tell me that.
Yeah, look at it, go right and left. Yeah, the dogs actually just kind of look at the, any direction you're at. Any more? Aw.
Come here.
How's it going? How's it going, everybody? How's it going?
Oh, very good.